Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use future derivatives trade signals on your Bitget exchange app. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to this YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification button. And also, if you're watching this video you don't have an account with Bitget, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is the home page of your Bitget exchange app. So all you need to do right now is click on futures. Right here you click on futures. So if you click on futures, this is what you're going to be seeing. This is how it's going to look like, right? So this is all what you're going to be seeing right there. You'll be seeing copy right here, you'll be seeing copy trades right here, you'll be seeing USDT, USDC, coin, event, and so on and so forth. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. So right here is our Telegram channel, and as you can see, this is the signal that has been dropped. Sold USDT, direction long, which means buy. And also, if you are not subscribed to our Telegram channel, link will be in the description below. Do well to check it out. So right now you can see the crypto pair is sold USDT. Let's go back to our Bitget exchange app to search for our crypto pair. So right here on your Bitget exchange app, if you want to search for any crypto pair, you tap right here. So we're gonna tap on it. Right now you tap on this search bar right here, you input in the crypto pair you're looking for. So we type in Sol USDT. As you can see, this is Sol USDT. So we click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it's going to look like. So right now let's go back to our Telegram channel to set our entry. On our Telegram channel you can see direction is long, which means buy. You can see the risks here. Risks, use the amount that means nothing to you. This means that as a trader you need to be risking what you can afford to lose, right? So you always need to learn how to manage your risks. So right now you can see our entry price right here. You can see our entry price right here, which is 227.81. So right now let's go to our Bitget exchange app to set our entry price. So right here on our Bitget app, if you want to type in our entry price, you need to first of all change this to limit order. Right now is on market order. So you just go ahead and click on this icon to change it to limit order. So right here you can see, you tap on this limit order right here, you click on it. So right now you also tap on this place where it's showing cross. You tap on it, you change it to isolated, because isolated is the recommended margin for new beginners traders. You click on it and then you click on confirm right here. You click on confirm. So once you confirm, you can see that it has been changed to isolated. So right here where you're seeing 10x, you click on it. You can see right here where it's showing 10x. If it's on 10x, you bring it down to 3 or 5x, because you want to be risking what you can afford to lose as a trader. So after confirming your 5x, then you click on confirm right here. Once you click on confirm, it has been changed from 10x to 5x right here. So right here is where you put in your limit order, and our limit order was 22. Our limit order was 227.81. So 227.81. So that is our limit order price. So right here is where you select the quantity of SOL you want to buy. So you input in the quantity of SOL you want to buy. So let's take for example, you can always use the slider right here. You can always use the slider. You can go ahead and use the slider. Do you want to buy 20%, 10%, and so on and so forth? So after selecting the quantity of SOL you want to buy, then you now always set your take profit and stop loss. So you click on this icon right here. Once you click on this icon, now you can see we have an option where we can set our take profit right here and also our stop loss right here. Let's go back to our Telegram channel and set our stop loss. On our Telegram channel right here, you can see our stop loss right here, which is 220.81. so right now let's go to our Bitget app to set our stop loss. On our Bitget app, if you want to set your stop loss, this is where you'll be seeing your stop loss so that you can set it. You will see SL right here. You can actually see SL right here. So let's type in 220.81. so our take profit, let's go back to our Telegram channel to set our take profit. On our Telegram channel, you can see our take profit right here. Our take profit, which is 238.28. So right now let's go to our Bitget app to set our take profit. So on our Bitget app right here, we type in 238.28. so we've set our take profit and we set our stop loss. We've set in our take profit and we've set our stop loss. So right now, if you check everything is confirmed, you can now click on this buy icon right here. Once you click on this buy icon, your orders will be waiting at this particular place until the market order reach this price you place on this trade. Then it will trigger and it will be on position right here. So this is how to use future derivatives trade signals if you've been given one. Alright, this is the simplest way on how to place a trade on your Bitget exchange app. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're still watching this video, do it to subscribe. And also, if you're watching you don't have an account with Bitget, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. And there will also be a link in the description below to our Telegram channel. Do it to check it out. We share trade signals every single day. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.